Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down beam search, an essential LLM concept. So, what is beam search? Beam search keeps multiple candidate sequences and picks the most probable final output. This is one of the core ideas in LLM that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about beam search. Point 1. Beam width. Num_beams. Trades quality versus compute. Point 2. Common in translation. Summarization. Point 3. Length penalty and n-gram blocking. Avoid repetition. Point 4. Higher quality, but less diverse than sampling. Point 5. Used in production for deterministic outputs. And that is beam search explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new LLM concept every single day. See you tomorrow.